Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Google Workspace step by step clearly. To register for Google Workspace, start by visiting the Google Workspace website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Enter your business name in the provided field. Select the number of employees that will use Google Workspace. Provide your current email address for verification. Click on Next to proceed to the next step. In the next section, you will need to set up your domain. If you already have a domain, select Yes and enter it in the designated field. If you do not have a domain, select No and choose to buy one through Google. Fill in the necessary information, including your first and last name. Enter your business phone number for account recovery and notifications. Review all the information you have entered, ensuring accuracy. Click on Next to continue with the setup. Create a username for your Google Workspace account. This username will also serve as your primary email address. Choose a strong password to secure your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Click Agree and Continue to accept the terms of service. You may be asked to verify your phone number via a verification code sent via SMS. Enter the verification code once received. If you chose to buy a domain, proceed with the purchase process by following the instructions. Once the domain is set up, complete your account setup by following any additional prompts. You will be directed to the Google Admin Console to manage your new Google Workspace account. Take a moment to explore the features and settings available. Set up additional email addresses or users as needed. Finally, familiarize yourself with the various tools Google Workspace offers, such as Google Drive, Calendar, and Docs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.